Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 5 game-changing car gadgets you can find on Amazon that I think are absolutely worth buying in 2026. These aren't just toys. They're practical tools that solve real problems every driver faces. Let's get right into it. First up, we have the NOCO Boost Plus Jump Starter. Let's be real, a dead battery never happens at a convenient time. It's always when you're late for work or in an empty parking lot at night. Instead of waiting an hour or more for roadside assistance, this compact powerhouse can bring your car back to life in minutes. It's small enough to live in your trunk or glove box, so it's always there when you need it. Honestly, every driver should own one of these. It's the kind of tool you hope you never need but will be incredibly grateful you have when that day comes. Don't get stranded. This gadget is pure peace of mind. Next on the list is a portable tire inflator with a digital gauge. You know how your tire pressure light always seems to come on when the temperature drops. Those temperature swings can wreak havoc on your tires. Driving on underinflated tires is not only unsafe, but it absolutely kills your fuel economy, meaning you're literally wasting money on gas. This little device lets you top off your tires right in your own driveway. No more searching for a gas station with a working air pump. The digital gauge removes all the guesswork, so you know you're getting the pressure exactly right. Honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to prevent bigger, more expensive problems down the road. It pays for itself in gas savings and tire longevity. Moving on to number 3, let's talk about keeping your car clean with the Worx Compact Car Vacuum. It doesn't matter how careful you are, car interiors just get dirty fast. Crumbs, dust, pet hair, you name it. And let's be honest, those big, clunky vacuums at the gas station are inconvenient and sometimes pretty gross. This vacuum is the perfect solution. It's surprisingly powerful for its size but compact enough to store easily in your car. It's perfect for those quick cleanups after a trip to the beach or when the kids make a mess in the back seat. If you like having a clean car without the hassle of a full detailing session every week, this is such an easy and satisfying upgrade. At number 4, we have something that's non-negotiable, a good roadside emergency kit. Breakdowns happen, and sometimes it's something simple you could fix if you just had the right tools. The weather can also change in an instant, leaving you unprepared. A comprehensive kit like this covers the basics, from first aid supplies and jumper cables to reflective triangles and a poncho. It takes up minimal space in your trunk and requires zero effort to store. The reality is, most people don't think about having an emergency kit until they desperately need it, and by then, it's too late. Don't be that person. Be ready for the unexpected. It's a small investment for a huge amount of security. Finally, at number 5, we have a gadget that will upgrade your daily drive, a wireless CarPlay adapter. If your car has wired Apple CarPlay, you know the routine. Get in, find the cable, plug in your phone, and find a spot for it. It gets old, and the cable clutters up your dashboard. This simple adapter changes everything. You just plug it into your car's USB port once, and it turns your wired system into a completely wireless one. Your phone automatically connects as soon as you start the car. It's seamless. You get a cleaner dashboard and the pure convenience of just getting in and going. Trust me, once you go wireless, it's very hard to go back to plugging in a cable every single time. So there you have it, 5 amazing gadgets for your car. None of these are gimmicks. They're practical upgrades that make driving easier, safer, and more enjoyable. If you want to learn more about any of them, links to check the current pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.